Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service. Aeration season is up on us and you may wonder, why is aeration necessary? Now that's actually a really good question, so let me explain. Compact soil prevents grass from establishing a healthy root system and keeps water and fertilizer from reaching the roots. Walking, playing and mowing will compact soil and stress lawns over time. Rain and irrigation further compact the soil, reducing air spaces where roots readily grow. Compaction is greatest in the upper 1 to 1.5 inches of soil. Aeration can help relieve soil compaction, allowing your grass to grow deeper roots and make better use of water and fertilizer. Typical home lawns are benefiting from aeration once per year, spring or fall. Older lawns or lawns with heavy or frequent traffic may need a second application. I hope that helps with your question on why aeration is necessary for a healthy lawn. Again, this is Rudy with your yard service, and if you've got any other question about aeration or lawn care in general, please leave a message below or visit our website youryardservice.com. And with that, I'll see you in the lawn.